Alright everybody, I haven't found no videos yet how to do this. I have a DeWalt air compressor with the wheel is the original, is no good, so it's flat. I went ahead and bought a tire that does not go flat, and it'll fit any air compressor out there that has the wheelbarrow on it, so it'll go like that. It'll fit right in there. And there's no videos out there that tells you how to change it out or nothing like that, but on each side there is a cotter pin that you have to pull out, and it goes in from how I'm holding here. The holes will be like this. If I can zoom in, there we go. It'll come through, sorry because this is all greasy, but it'll come through like this, and then you spread it through this hole here, or over here like on this one. Be a lot better because it's not, so it'll come through like this. But I think what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to pull it back the other way so it'll sit like this. So next time I just I don't know yet. I'll have to let's see what I'm going to do. But I mean, that's basically it. And then on the old one, you got the little bar that comes out, the axle, and you put the axle onto the new one. It should fit. That's what it said. And it seems like it does not. So now I'm kind of pissed. But that's how you change it, and that's the way it goes. Alrighty, hope this helps everybody. Just got to look for the two cotter pins on the side, here and here. Pull that out. Just make sure that the diameter is right on to both tires. And the one I got it ordered the new tire from, it was supposed to be from like maybe Tri-City. Got that one from Tri-City, and it said it was supposed to fit all of the models. It actually comes from a Roll Air, but this is supposed to be a 5/8, so it should be the same. I just got to see what it's doing, and I hope that helps. Thank you very much. Alright everybody, this is like the part 2. I'm going to say the part 2. I went ahead and put them back in. The bar does fit. Probably want spacers, but they say this thing will never go flat. So I've seen people where they got those button caps and all that nails sticking in there, and they hammer nails in there to test it out, but there's no air. It's just all a bunch of rubber. But you can go to put a spacer on there if you want to. I put the original cotter pins back in, but I bent them down because I figure I got one coming this way and one coming that way, but you can get both of them coming this way and then bend them down. You know, there would work a lot better for you instead of trying to space them out. It's a little hassle, but it's on. Just got to have it upright so that you can get into it, you know, so you can get your hands in there. Your hands are too big, you probably have to get your wife or something in there, but and then that's going to be a heyday right there. I do have on this engine here, I do have the Predator 6 horsepower. It's up in the air right now, but and I already had that on. I'll go ahead and start it up here in a minute. Okay, I just pushed it up, got it in. Like I said, that's the Predator 212 engine onto the DeWalt. This is a 6 horsepower engine. I had to replace the air compressor part of it years ago. That was about 150 bucks, I think, about 100 to 150 for like in the back, and that was with labor. There is gas in it, so it's been sitting in the shed for probably about 2 or 3 months. I would have to say up to 3 months, but we'll go to click it on. Is in the back. Turn the fuel on and turn the valve stem up. Let's see if it'll crank. And no, it's not. Alright, let's see. Everything's up and going. There it goes. Like a Honda, so they say the engine's like a Honda. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching.